If you purchase a condominium, townhouse, or other type of property in a planned development, such as a gated community or an ordinary subdivision, you are obligated to join that community's homeowners association. When you do, you'll pay monthly or annual HOA fees for the upkeep of common areas. And in the case of condominiums and townhomes, also the building. You may also be obligated to pay for maintaining the common areas, such as landscaping, elevators, swimming pools, clubhouses, parking garages, fitness rooms, sidewalks, security gates, roofing, and building exteriors. In the U.S., there are estimated to be 300,000 owner associations, and between 30 and 35 million properties within an association. No matter if the HOA governs a condo or townhome or a neighborhood of individual houses, HOA fees help maintain the quality of life for the community's residents and protect property values for all owners. HOAs also set out certain rules that all residents must follow, called covenants, conditions and restrictions, or CC&Rs. These rules may include what color you can paint your garage door, the size and type of pets permitted, and so on. Understanding HOAs is not only important for people who live within the HOA, but also business professionals who depend on understanding if a property is in an HOA. Traditionally, obtaining this information was very difficult for business professionals. First American now makes HOA data readily available to the professionals who need this valuable data. First American collects HOA data from multiple sources, both public and proprietary, with these proprietary sources providing an edge over the competitors and convenience for our customers. By using the various data sets in combination, the data from multiple sources can be compared as part of the quality control process. First American's recorded document image database provides a distinct advantage in building our leading HOA database. You see, documents from the county recorder are usually part of a mortgage recording and specify when a property is in an owner association. Even with multiple sources of data, one of the challenges with creating an owner association dataset is the ability to determine which properties are actually in an owner association. By using the proximity of a property known to be in an owner association to the surrounding properties, it is possible to categorize the properties within a whole neighborhood as being part of the same owner association. In DataTree.com, the spatial association is easily viewable on the map, and with the Total View report, you can instantly access the association information. Neighborhood boundaries are not always simply bound by the streets around a set of properties. Neighborhoods, and therefore owner associations, can sometimes be defined by a subdivision, and the subdivision code is provided as part of the information First American collects from the county assessor. In this example, the subdivision is also part of the legal description included in the recorded document. Of course, it's not just about knowing if a property belongs in an owner association. First American also provides additional details, such as the association name, contact information, and the dues, which must be standardized as this information can come from multiple public and proprietary sources. Here's a typical example. You'll see that the same association, Ladera Ranch Maintenance Corporation, has two different addresses. We use logic to decide if they are the same or different associations. Adding to the complexities of untangling HOA data collection is that some HOAs divide association management across multiple service providers. There is the association itself. Oftentimes, there is a property management company who takes care of the monthly dues billing and collection, vendor payment, and other management tasks. There may also be a special contact that does curative work which describes the process an association has to follow when a homeowner stops paying his dues and a lien is placed against the property. First American maintains contact information for each of these types of providers. Now, mortgage lenders are very interested in knowing when an owner association lien is recorded against a property, because in certain states, the owner association lien has priority over the mortgage. Those states are called super lien states. In a super lien state, if a homeowner stops paying his monthly association fees, and as a result, the association places a lien against the property, the association can begin foreclosure proceedings as a result of that lien. The foreclosure process allows the association to take possession of the property and sell it at auction for the amount of the delinquent dues. If that happens, the buyer can get the property at a very low cost, and the owner association isn't required to pay off the mortgage. Oftentimes, the lender is unaware that the homeowner has gone into default over unpaid fees or that the property is being foreclosed by the association. So, lenders leverage First American's data so they can be alerted when an association lien has been placed against a property in their portfolio. By learning about the lien early, the lender can take action and pay the delinquent fees in order to halt any foreclosure action and keep ownership of the property. No lender wants to lose out on hundreds of thousands of dollars in mortgage payments because an owner association sold a house for $5,000 in unpaid dues. So, when it comes to homeowner association data, First American offers clear advantages. More sources of data, including proprietary sources. This allows the data to be more accurate and complete. Contacts are clearly categorized. Customers who want to interact with the owner association need to be able to decide which contact of the multiple available is appropriate for their purpose. There are more types of contacts, as different contacts are required for different reasons. First American includes an estimate of dues. Not all associations charge the same fees, and the amount a homeowner pays may be important in their ability to afford the home. There is more geographic coverage for liens. The liens are collected in both First American's title plants and the document repository, which covers more of the United States than competitive offerings. First American's lien data is extremely accurate through its strict data collection guidelines and modern technology, which enables higher quality data collection and standardization methods. Getting HOA data from First American is easy. License First American's entire HOA database or a specific subset. Provide the addresses for a portfolio of properties, and we will append HOA data to each property. Pull HOA data on a single property at a time with the Total View Report, available in DataTree.com. First American addresses the challenges of acquiring, standardizing, and ensuring that HOA data is useful for our customers. That's HOA data at your service.